Diarmuid ua Duibhne, the cursed warrior of the Fianna. Test your knowledge of Diarmuid ua Duibhne, the tragic hero of the Fianna, whose fate was sealed by love and destiny. Who raised Diarmuid? What was Diarmuid's gift? What did the love spot do? Who cursed Diarmuid? Who did Diarmuid elope with? Who was Grind betrothed to? Which warrior helped them flee? What did Angus give Diarmuid? Where did Diarmuid and Grain first hide? How did Fianna track them? What was the name of Diarmuid's sword? What creature caused Diarmuid's death? What body of water was Diarmuid near when he died? What was Diarmuid's fate in the afterlife? What is Diarmuid's role in the Fianna? Who did Diarmuid swear loyalty to? Which myth cycle features Diarmuid? The love and loss of Diarmuid ua Duibhne still echo in Irish myth. Thank you for stepping into this world of heroism and heartbreak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.